In this video, I want to show you how to automate your searches using FTK Connect. So FTK Connect is our automation engine in FTK. If you're a corporate customer, you can get FTK Connect added to your enterprise or FTK Central license, no problem. If you're law enforcement, we also have a bundle for you on the website here called the Law Enforcement Bundle. Pretty straightforward. FTK.O, FTK Connect, and some on-demand training. But what I want to show is how it can make your pre-case searching a lot more efficient. So let's go ahead and jump over to FTK. What we're going to do is we're actually going to start with Imager, and we're going to create a disk image of a physical disk. We'll go next. We'll select our little 2 GB drive. We're going to add a destination. We'll go to E01. We're not going to put in any case information. So the destination here, we're going to drop it into a watch folder. So we're going to come to our watch folders and we're going to index search this. It's a really simple one. So we're going to make a new folder and we're going to give it a case name. So we'll call it search video case. There we go. And we will select that. And then we're going to say USB 2 GB. Okay, whatever, you give it a name. We'll set it so it doesn't fragment, so we'll set it at 3000 meg, and we'll say finish, and we'll click start. Now this is just gonna image, drop in there, and we'll jump back when it's done. So once the image finishes, we'll hit close, and we'll take a look at our watch folder. So we're on focus index search. We have search video case. It just went away because it's dropped into the processed. So FTK Connect just saw that we'd imaged that and just automatically took it and started its, job. So if we jump into FTK here and we hit F5 to refresh, notice that we have search video case here, and it indicates to us here on the screen that it was created using Automation 2. And let's take a look at what that Automation 2 is. We'll open up our web interface or our smart review. I'm going to switch usernames here to administrator so I can see everything. And we'll come into FTK Connect and we have Automation 2 and it's index only. So basically, we had that watch folder called index only or whatever it was called, focus index. The automation here, all it's going to do is run an index on our image, and then we're going to run some searches. Okay, in this case, it's only a search term list of 1, and we can see that if we jump into our file explorer and we'll go to data drive and our search terms, and in this case, shipping search terms. And if we open this up, we can see the search term here of vengeance, and then we have a little comma, and then our label name. So what we want all of the search hits throughout our case to be hit here, So this will label anytime the search hits on vengeance, it's going to label it under the label computer RAM. So if we close this, and since we're here, we can come out. We're going to log out of administrator. Now, obviously we could see it, but this automation automatically assigns it to our user of Redlion. So we'll log in under Redlion, and we can go to case list and we can see search video case, which is what we had. So we'll open that up. We can see the items in here, but we ran an auto search at the beginning. So let's open that up. We'll go to labels. Notice we have a search item and computer RAM. So if we filter that, we have our hit here on an Excel sheet here, and we'll open this up and we can see vengeance, 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 vengeance. We got the hits. Okay. Now, you can have as many items in that search list TXT as you want, and you can have different labels. You can have multiple search terms hit on the same label. That's no problem. But basically, this can save you a lot of time because we all have search terms that we're going to run on given cases. Well, do that in the processing so we can come in. We can also create an automation so that it will automatically export those items if we wanted. We can kick them out to a portable case if we wanted somebody else to review them, an 81 if we wanted to ship those out for other processing, say like clean and dirty team type stuff, whatever you wanted to do. But the idea here is that we can quickly search our case in the processing stage based on predefined lists. And of course, you can add stuff to those text files. There's nothing against that. So those text files can grow and shift as you need them to. And so yeah, just an easy and quick way to leverage FTK Connect, our automation engine, to make things quicker and easier for your reviewers and examiners. All right, thanks. And we'll see you in the next video.